What's the meaning of cidal? Cidal. Cidal.
Cidal. Cidal. The suffix cidal is used to denote a process or action that results in the killing of a specific type of organism. For example, suicidal refers to the act of intentionally ending one's own life, while homicidal refers to the act of intentionally causing the death of another person. Similarly, genocidal denotes the systematic destruction of a particular ethnic group or race. In essence, the addition of cidal to a word signifies a potential for lethal consequences, making it a powerful and often alarming descriptor.